Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 364, Creating Server Logic. In our last tip, I introduced the server logic feature in Power Pages. Now, let's look at how we actually create our code. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In the Power Pages Design Studio, you'll find the Server Logic area in the Integration section of the Setup workspace. Click New Server Logic to create a new Server Logic file. You'll need to provide at least the name and choose one or more web roles that the users will need to invoke that code. Now, select your file and click Edit Code. This will open VS Code for Web, and you'll see the JavaScript file where you can write your code. Sample functions are provided for the get, post, put, patch, and delete methods. Right now, to invoke your server logic, you call it via client-side JavaScript, via a special endpoint in the Power Pages Web API. We'll look more into that in our next tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 364 on creating server logic useful.